breast cancer awareness activities often focus on the risk of women getting the disease. But Waterman Wellness wants to make sure Lake County men and the people who love them are aware of the risks.
You know, it started off as kind of a little bit of pain, irritation in my right nipple. Then I began to feel a lump. I kind of ignored it, of course, being a guy. And as it got worse, there was some leakage, seepage of that sort of thing. We don't hear about men with breast cancer. So one side of me was like, what? You must be wrong. This can't be right. And the other part of me was going, yeah, leave it to me to get some weird form of cancer. Then as I went through the process, I began to realize that men are 1%, but yet the highest rate of mortality because they ignore it.
Richard Staten of Eustis underwent a mastectomy and then chemotherapy at Florida Hospital Waterman. Dr. Anud Jain then oversaw Staten's radiation treatment.
The radiation dosages and volumes can vary tremendously among patients. We work along with our other physicians, other surgical specialists, medical oncologists, to come up with the best treatment plan for that patient. Every step we can do to make the treatments more accurate will reduce the radiation to the surrounding tissues and ultimately reduce side effects to the patient.
Radiation treatment has come a long way back. Both my father and mother had cancer. I remember my grandmother many years ago having cancer, and the radiation was pretty much, they bombarded your body, your whole body. Now they do it very minutely into the individual areas. The hardest thing about radiation is you have to do it Monday through Friday, every day, and it takes 15 minutes. It was like having a job.
Now cancer-free, Staten wants to raise awareness about breast cancer also being a man's disease.
My project is this, is to photograph men who have gone through breast cancer, who have survived, people who are going through breast cancer, and to photograph them in kind of a rugged, manly way. I want men to be aware of that, because whether you have testicle cancer, it doesn't matter. It's cancer, and it needs to be dealt with. And do not let your pride or manliness keep you from taking care of it.